Here from the Traveling Foxes. This vlog is going to be slightly different because I just want to answer one question. I've been living in Manila for over 6 years now, and a lot of my family and friends ask me the same question. And that question is it safe to visit Manila? I get questions such as, can I walk around Manila during the night? Of course, there's always that fear that Manila is not a safe place. Like any other major city, Manila is safe if you are just street smart. I mean, you can be in the safest country in the world and still get into trouble. So I currently live inside a bubble in Manila, and that bubble is called BGC. If you guys haven't heard about the BGC bubble, it's pretty much called this because this city is like nowhere else in Manila. It's safe to walk, there are guards and police around you, and there are lights all around, so it is pretty much safe for any foreigner or local. So my challenge for today is I'm actually going to walk outside BGC to prove to you that it is safe to go around Manila as long as you are street smart. The challenge for today is I will be going and I am going to try and make a friend. On all honesty, I am not scared and I find it easy making friends, but my main challenge is really my Tagalog. Nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog. Parang nanonosebleed ako. Masakit sa ulo pag nakausap ako ng Tagalog. Whatever. What I'm trying to say is it gives me a headache and it makes me nosebleed whenever I try to speak Tagalog. So that's my main challenge. So I will be going with another friend. So I will see you guys and let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. So I'm here with Jopet de la Cruz, full name talaga, no? And he is the one who thought about this challenge, so I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to make some new friends, and I want to do a few things there. Probably do karaoke. Let's see what happens.
Dudumihan natin paa ni Nati.
Huh? Ano yun? Ang lalim. Sorry, I don't understand that much.
Wait,
go lang.
How do I say that in English? I will just tell you later and then put it in subtitles.
Sige, go. Fine. So literally just exited BGC and we are here now. So ngayon, nasa loob kami ng isang carinderia. Ito ang mga pagkain. Ano yan?
Dinakdakan po.
Dinakdakan. Ito.
Tinola. Sitaw.
Sitaw.
Bicol Express.
Sarap Bicol Express.
Chicken curry.
Sarap.
Itong kulinga. Laing.
Laing.
Tinodo. Pinaguan. Adobong manok. Adobong baboy.
Okay, let's get one mami lang.
Masarap bang mami?
Opo.
So this place is 24 hours. Imagine kung basag ka na sa The Palace, pwede kang tumakbo dito, di ba?
So I'm gonna mix my own mami. Soy sauce.
You want plate?
Too much. Go.
Sila, lagyan mo sila.
Ano to?
Patis.
Patis. Ay, wag na lang. Yum. Time patis.
So yung salita ko, dito tayo. This is intestine. It's perfect when you're drinking.
Ay, malaki. I got a big one. Masarap ang intestines. So, anong pangalan mo?
Rosalinda po.
How old
Rosalinda.
ka na?
17.
17, bata pa. Are you in school?
Hindi na po.
Anong name mo?
Pogi.
Pogi?
And
Kulit niya. Job is doing all the work.
Oh, look at, tingnan mo ito ha. Hindi. Tingnan nyo ha. Hindi pa dyan. From where?
Taga Cebu po.
Same. Do you know your number? Pili ka muna.
Ay, teka lang. Ay, sa pinakanindot na kanta.
Talagang Bisaya ka talaga. Parang gulat na gulat ka, sir. Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Tayo! Wala ba mga kamay?
Sa straw to? So this is an amazing idea, guys, for Christmas. Instead of buying decorations, it's best to make it out of bottles. Diba? And this is like for a grade 1 school project. It's amazing. And it's cutting all the trash as well. So, very handy and very clever. Anong pangalan mo?
Ana.
Ana.
Ana Alcantara.
Makaintindi ka ng English?
Medyo.
Medyo mag-English ka na lang, ha? Pwede?
Ano namang Englishin ko?
Kasi nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog eh.
I'm not speaking English. My life.
That's English.
Sige nga, sige, ako mag-translate.
Okay. How long have you been living in this area?
Gano'n po kayo kaganda?
Ano? Hindi na tawagan na matanda na.
Ang kagandahan po ay panlabas at panloob.
Oo.
Ang ang ugali mo ay
Oo, maganda.
Oh yeah.
Dami.
Sino pinakapangit na mukha may candy?
Eto!
Kapangitan, yun
Ako,
gano'n kaya.
ako.
Sige nga.
Labas na.
Up.
Trabaho. Ay, tapos na yung dalawa!
Nag-thank you ba kayo? Nag-thank you ba kayo kay ate?
Thank you.
Oh. Nag-thank you ba kayo kay ate?
Ay, nakadalawa ako pa.
O ikaw, nag-thank you ka ba kay ate?
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat
Okay.
din.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? Ang cute mo ah. Ayaw mag-picture.
So that was actually a lot of fun, and even though if I didn't formally ask them to be my friend, I think I become friends with a few of them. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all really friendly people.
You have an
And-
advantage. A lot of them are Bisaya.
Yeah, and that was the good thing. A lot of them spoke Bisaya, so I was able to speak to them in Bisaya rather than trying my Tagalog. It was just so difficult for me. Once again, thank you guys for watching one of the Traveling Foxes videos. Catch us for the next one. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much and catch you later.